everyone. Today we are going to solve in text question 10.5. So in this question, first is cyclohexanol is treated with SOCl to thionyl chloride. Then what will be the product? Our product will be, we know that in cyclohexanol OH will be replaced by Cl. You have to tell me whether this nucleophilic substitution reaction will proceed via SN1 or SN2. Write your answer in comment box. So this is our product. Now second question is 4-ethyl nitrobenzene is treated with Br2 heat or UV light. We know that whenever UV light falls over the halogens, there is formation of free radical. Already I have discussed mechanism in previous video. If you have doubt, you may go to that video and then you can see the detailed mechanism. So this Br free radical will attack on the side chain of this compound, and side chain is, which one is our side chain? This one is the side hydrocarbon chain. So this Br free radical will attack on this side chain hydrocarbon. So let's see what will be the product. Our product will be, the first product will be, we can write here NO2, and so our product will be here CH2 Br. This is our product. The second product will be CH. This carbon may also go halogenation, Br, and then CH3, and here NO2. These are the two possible products, and several other mixture can be obtained by the, depending upon the amount of Br2, how much free radicals are produced in reaction mixture. Depending on that, we will get the mixture of halogenated product. Now we come to question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, benzyl alcohol is treated with HCl. So when benzyl alcohol will be treated with HCl, you can see that this part. So halogenation substitution will take place from here, and our product will be benzyl chloride. This is our product. Now in question number 3rd already I have discussed. Question number 4th, you can see that 1-methyl cyclohexene is treated with HIE. So as there is no peroxide over the arrow, means it will follow Markovnikov addition. It is an alkene, and addition of HI will take place according to Markovnikov addition. So our product will be, first we'll break the bond. Always shift double bond away from the carbon atom on which more number of alkyl groups are attached. So you can see here, double bond will shift away from this carbon atom, and so it will have a negative charge, and CH3, as pi bond shifted away, so this carbon will occupy positive charge. Now we know that HI will dissociate into H plus and I minus. H plus is undergoing dissociation to give H plus and I minus, and this is the law of nature. Opposite charges attract each other. So this H plus will go to negative and I minus will go to positive, and our product will be CH3I, and H will go here. You may not show H, or you may show, depending on you. You may, sometimes product is written like this, simply This is bond line representation. In bond line representation, we know that we only show the line between or bond between carbon and carbon. Rest of the bonds are hidden. Carbon-carbon bonds are shown, and carbon and any other than hydrogen groups are shown by solid line. The product may be written like this also. You should practice in both the way, should train your mind in both the way, so that whenever you see little difference, then you should not be surprised. Otherwise, sometime what happens that we think after exam that, oh, we can do this, it was very easy, already I have studied this. So to avoid that, you should practice in both the way. Okay, now we come to another question. This is question number 5th. CH3CH2Br, that is bromoethane, is treated with NaI, sodium iodide. Here acetone is not written over the arrow, but it is very important for the reaction. If acetone will not be there, then there will be no reaction. Acetone, this reaction will exclusively takes place in acetone. You may go to my previous video. In that video I have discussed why there is need of acetone. So what will happen here? Halogen exchange reaction will take place. Br will be replaced by I-. So our product will be CH3CH2I plus NaBr. Now question number 6. That is addition of halogen on alkene. We are adding bromine on alkene. I have also discussed mechanism of this reaction. If have any doubt how this reaction is taking place, you may go to previous video to see the detailed mechanism of this reaction. So here product will be one stereochemistry is involved here. Whenever there will be addition of alkene, if one Br will go upside, another Br will go downside. You write in comment box the name of intermediate involved in this chemical reaction. So we have solved all the 6 questions of in-text question 10.5. Hope you have learned. Now you may practice more question from any reference book. Thank you.